Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We're going to be testing this SGR12. This has had some upgrades done, so we're going to be doing function tests just to make sure everything's feeding correctly and working. We have got upgraded power spring. It's got the M90 in here. We've got for highest compatibility with the retro arms piston. We've got the Psionic R hop kit. We've got the Eagle6 flat nub. We've got the Eagle6 flat hop arms, the ones sort of designed for the R hop style. They're slightly shorter than the Prometheus purple arms. We've got the Prometheus tightbore barrels ×3. We've got the retro arms bushings. We've got the retro arms piston, the Eagle6 tappet plate spring. We've got the Warhead Ronin motor, which is a short type and a 45k. Obviously a very strong motor, the Ronin ones. So obviously we're hoping that helps with obviously the strength of the springs that are in these guns. And we've fit a 2200 7.4 Lipo inside the stock. So that's going to be powering this for the test. And we're just going to demonstrate it working. Quite time-consuming testing with the mid caps. Nice trigger response on the Warhead 45k. That's definitely a attractive option for this particular gun. We try lots of different combos, lots of different parts. Obviously 2200 7.4 combined with that 45k Ronin. Obviously the Ronin being one of their stronger models, out of all the different motors. Yeah, it's definitely a snappy trigger response, which is hard to achieve on something with a spring as large as what's in the AA12s, and obviously the high torque gears that they come with. But yeah, obviously it's a good result. Everything seems to be working. We're going to get this posted out for you. I don't think it'll be today, but we'll give UPS a call. You never know, they might swing around and pick up. Worst comes to worst, it'll be tomorrow, hopefully for delivery on Friday for you. So, but excellent. I'm going to get this video uploaded and get it all packaged up. Thank you.